Hello everyone, today I am going to create this structure in Revit, but before we start let me remind you to like and share my videos, leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any difficulty or query related to Revit, you can ask me anytime. So now let's start. Open new architectural template file in Revit. Go to component, click on model in place, select column from this dialog box and click OK. Again click OK. Place a reference plane on the floor plan and give it a name. I'm going to name it elevation. Now go to south elevation. Click on extrusion in the create tab and select the reference plane elevation and draw the structure for the extrusion as shown in the video. After the elevation is complete, give it an extrusion end of 2 inches. You can also edit the extrusion by double clicking on the component. Select the component and provide a material to it. Now go to top view of 3D, select the component and copy rotate it. You can rotate and copy as many components as you want. But there is also a short process for it, that is the array command. Make sure radial array is selected, place the rotation point at the center and then rotate it at a 180 degree and place the last component at this point. Now there are 3 components placed in this 180 degrees. You can add as many as you want. You just have to simply type the number in this array command. For example, now it is 20. You can make it 30 or 10 or 5, whatever you want. Now again go to top view of 3D. I'm again going to give it an array radial command as I don't want to overlap two components, so I'm going to delete the last one and again repeat the process on this other side of the circle. The structure is now complete. Click on Finish Model. Add the camera in the level 1 floor plan. Look what it appears in from the eye elevation. So that's all for today. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any difficulty or query related to Revit, you can ask me anytime. I will meet you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care. And most importantly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.